Greetings and aloha, what's going on? It's Mike's from livemyassoff.com and I'm in the bathroom. This has been my bathroom of my current place I was staying. And I'll tell you, when I first saw the water heater, I thought, okay, so where is the nozzle? And so I'm about 6'2", so the nozzle is at about 11 feet above. So even with hot water, by the time it gets down to you, it's a little chilly. But no, it was really nice. It's a fairly modern place in the sense that, sorry, it's not modern, it's new. But you know, fridge, coffee maker, toilet, bum gun, shower with hot water, king size bed, new air conditioner, newish air conditioner. And it basically gave me everything I needed, and it was, you know, like $19 or something like that. And it was like $19 or something like that. I'll show you the grounds as I'm walking out, and then I'll put everything in the car, and then from here, we are heading down to, and from here, I am heading down to Bang Tao Beach, and then probably swing by Kamala Beach, and have breakfast again at Ning's, actually, or have breakfast again at Ying's, actually, because I really like her 99 baht breakfast. And then from there, I'm headed down to Coron Beach and check into my next hotel. And I'm trying to determine how much time I'm gonna spend in Phuket, because with the lockdown it's not a lockdown, with the curfew that is in place as part of the province that is sort of southwest of Bangkok. I'm paying attention to the ease with which I can get in and out of my own province, which is the province of Bangkok, in Bangkok. And so anyway, I want to make sure that I can get in and out easily. I have discontinued my idea and my thoughts and the possibility of driving back to, you know, and heading up the coast, going back through Cha Am, which I really like. And I've pretty much blown that off because the province that I would go through is that province that is in lockdown, which means you can't leave. So I could probably drive in, but then I couldn't drive out to get back home to Bangkok. Possibly, who knows? But the problem is that my ID, my driver's license, has the address of when Gracie and I got the driver's licenses in Cha Am. And I've since moved to Bangkok. And so therefore I don't have sort of my home address on my driver's license. So anyway, that's an opportunity for options. Anyway, I'm on my way and I will show you the place on the way out as we head towards the car. Let me just throw these on so I don't walk over myself. It's about 74 or 75 degrees. Which is cold for me. There's also no humidity right now. It's, you know, I mean, it's the end of the year, right? And so this is the time of the most temperate weather, really, here in Thailand. So I think I got everything. I got my backpack full of food, or full of drinks, really. Fridge completely empty. And I've got all my stuff, and then I got the key to lock up. And yeah. All right, cool. We're on our way. Now, the reason I wanted to show this place to you, I'm actually not going to give you the name of it because it's one of these places that it just needs some TLC. In other words, the grounds are being kept in pretty decent condition, pretty much. I mean, they've trimmed the trees and that sort of thing, and you know, they're cleaning up around the places. But it's one of those deals where it's just like it needs a coat of paint. Like, I don't know if you can tell from the concrete here and the pads where you lay down. It just, I mean, it needs a good, you know, cleaning around the pool. And you know, they've done a good job with the lawn here. I mean, this looks great, right? But it's just one of those deals where, you know, there's like a bit of a mold on that thing there, and you know, the grass isn't super kept over there. So anyway, it's a really good place, but it just needs it needs about another 10%. So anyway, but I liked it, and it was incredibly quiet. I was the only person here. In fact, when the guy kind of like walked around about, I don't know, 8:30 is like a sort of a final security check kind of thing. His English was great, and he's been working here for the last 10 years. And he says, yeah, so I've been working on my working on my English, and he mentioned that, yeah, he's getting ready to retire, you know, kind of thing. And I said, well, good for you, man. That's good. You can relax, right? And so anyway, I'm going to what's interesting is the car door, it's only a 2017, but for some reason it does not open from the passenger door. The lock, the key lock doesn't work, but whatever. I gotta do laundry once I get to my next destination. And but this is right at Natai Beach. Natai was the name of it, from yesterday at the pier. So what I did is I literally just drove down the street about, I don't know, about 3 kilometers and found this little place in the middle of nowhere. When I drove up, guess what I noticed? It's got a cell tower there, and it's got a cell tower there, and I did not need Wi-Fi. I had a great speed last night, so that was kind of cool. Anyway, with that, I'm on to my next adventure. I'm on to my next beach, and I'm on to my additional road trip. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Ciao.